Okay, number 8 says a circular tablecloth has a radius of 2.5 feet, and since there's no picture, I'm going to draw one. Nope, doesn't have to be perfect. Radius, if I remember correctly, is from the middle to the outer edge. I know that because my teacher drew a picture. Radius, the R, goes halfway on your piece of paper, and then diameter goes all the way across. Okay, so that's one way to remember. So my radius is 2.5. Kyle sewing a piece of ribbon around the edge. Around the edge. Okay. If Kyle has exactly enough ribbon, which measurement is closest to the length of piece of ribbon in feet? So we have to decide if around the edge talks about area, perimeter, or volume. And in this case, because it's around the edge, I know that this is perimeter, which is called circumference for a circle. When I look at my pie chart, my star chart, I have two choices for circumference. Circumference equals pi times d, or circumference equals 2 pi r. The one I'm going to choose to use is based on what they give me in my problem. Since they give me radius, I'm going to go ahead and use this guy right here. Circumference equals 2. I'm also going to try using 3 for pi. Why? Because I'm kind of lazy, and because I'm going to just try it out. If I get an answer that's like too close to another one, then maybe I'll do 3.14, but I'm going to save some time. I can multiply this in any order that I want. I'm probably going to do 2.5 times 2, because off the top of my head I know that's 5, and then 5 times 3 is 15. Now if you want to like do it in order, we would do 2 times 3, which is 6, and then 6 times 2.5. Okay, I'll prove it. 6 times 5 is 30, 12, 15, 1 decimal, right? Remember, you count the number of decimals in each number, and that's the number of decimals you need to have in your answer. So I got 15. Now when I'm looking, I know that because I just used 3 and not 3.14, this answer is a little bit too low. So looking at my choices, I need an answer that's going to be a little bit higher. That's lower. These are way too high. Letter G has to be my correct answer for that one.